Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page here on WordPress. Now, one thing to take note of is that you have to download and install a plugin that can duplicate a page here on WordPress. Now, it's very easy to do that. On the left-hand side, you can scroll down to your plugins, click on the Add New. Now, once you're here, on your search bar, type in duplicate page. And once you find the plugin, click on Install Now, and there you will have the plugin. Now, once you have the plugin, you can simply scroll down to the page you want duplicated, and then simply click on Duplicate This. And there we have our duplicated page. And that is how you duplicate a page here on WordPress.